Profits triumph patriotism. The big skiing corporations are doing now is they just basically move their companies to Bermuda and whatnot. The plan was to have companies move the address of the corporate headquarters to Bermuda or another tax haven such as the Cayman Islands or Panama. That way profits could be earned tax-free in the United States under a treaty with Barbados. U.S. profits could be converted into tax-deductible expenses that would become profits only when the money was accounted for offshore. The company's real headquarters would stay in the United States. The Bermuda headquarters would be nothing more than a mail drop. We need to urge our Congress members and representatives throughout the United States to stop having these sheltered tax havens. They're only benefiting the rich, yet they get to benefit from our facilities and research and our military to protect their assets in America.